video comes courtesy of Unice. This is my... You play me, Snooks. This hair is laid. I showed you about a week ago how to do a silk press with this hair. And since then, the hair has been holding up amazing. I'm absolutely in love with it. But a lot of times I get my inspo from Instagram, and I've been seeing lately a lot of people do long sleek hair with a cute little bang in the front, like fringe bangs. So I decided to teach you guys how to get your fringe bangs with your hair without making a mistake. A lot of times you'll take your big chunk of hair and you'll cut across and you ruin the hair because you did it too short or too thick and you can't take it. So let's jump into the tutorial of how I got these bangs, and then I'll be back with my update on this hair. So today I am rocking my Malaysian straight hair. So you guys see this beautiful Malaysian straight wig from me a couple of weeks ago, and I'm still rocking it. I'm still loving it. This hair did come from Unice, and as you can see, this is like my go-to straight wig, and this is the look that I do. So I'm thinking I want to do some bangs with this hair. What do you guys think? Maybe go ahead and cut this much off. Yeah, we're gonna do it. Let's cut this into some bangs. So for now, we're just gonna need our rat tail comb and some scissors. You're also gonna need your flat iron to flatten out the bangs afterwards. Probably a clip. hopefully that was self-explanatory. It takes a little bit of while if you want really good bangs. I don't like it when my bangs are straight across and super thick. So you have to kind of do a thin piece and go long and kind of gradually go up shorter and shorter and shorter until you're completely happy with it. Because when you take too much and you cut across, you kind of are committed to it and you can't take it back. So hopefully that was a great way to teach you guys, especially since the bangs are coming back and are super popular nowadays. As far as the hair, it's holding up amazing. This hair has a great shine to it. You guys seen when I started the video, I've pretty much been wearing the hair in the same style since that video. And everything is holding up amazing. I haven't co-washed the hair. I've been wearing it day and night, sleeping in it, and it just is amazing. All you have to do in the morning is kind of just run your flat iron through it, especially the ends, because it is so long. And usually I'll just wear it in a bun at night. I'll just kind of put it in a low bun and twist it up, put the bonnet on, and that's pretty much it. The high ponytail up top kind of sets it off, but you don't have to do that. I just kind of like the way this looks. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know what videos you guys want to see from me next. Thank you, Unice, for this beautiful hair. I have all of the information on this hair in the description bar, as well as my original review on it. It is super long and super pretty. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.